Want to automatically transfer data from one Google Sheet to another every day? In this video, I will show you how to use Google Apps Script to move data seamlessly without any manual work. Let's get started. So this is perfect for businesses, reports, or keeping daily records in sync. And by the end of this video, you will learn how to use Google Apps Script, how to schedule automatic data updates, and how to avoid common errors. So step 1. Set up your Google Sheets. First, open two Google Sheets. The first one is source sheet. This will have daily updated data. The second one is sheet 2, which is destination sheet. This will store the appended data. Make sure both sheets are accessible and have a clear structure. Step 2. Get spreadsheet ID and sheet name. So open your source sheet, copy the spreadsheet ID from the URL. Do the same for the destination sheet also, and write these down because we will use them in our script. Step 3. Write Google Apps Script. So now let's write the script to automate the process. So to write the script, you have to go to extensions, and in the extension App Script in your Google Sheet. Now here we will write a code which is in GAS. Don't smile. It is a programming language maintained by Google and a very similar to JavaScript. This is Google Apps Script. So here we write a function. Function append data to another sheet. It is a name of the function, and inside it we declare some variables like var source spreadsheet equals to spreadsheet app dot open by ID, and in this we have to write source spreadsheet ID. Now the second variable is var source sheet equals to source spreadsheet dot get sheet by name and the name of the source sheet. The third variable is var destination spreadsheet equals to spreadsheet app dot open ID and the ID of the destination spreadsheet. The fourth variable is var destination sheet equals to destination spreadsheet dot get sheet by name and the name of the destination sheet. Now we will handle some error logic here. So if not source sheet or not destination sheet, then we will log error one of the sheet is missing and we will return. Now the fifth variable to get the data, so var source data equals to source sheet dot get data range dot get values, and error handling for that source data. So if source data dot length equals to 0, then we have to log no data found in the source sheet and we have to return. Now we have to slice the header of that data. So var new data equals to source data dot slice 1. So it will remove the header from the table 1. Now the other variable is var last row equals to destination sheet dot get last row, because we have to append the table in the destination table in the last row. So now we have to just append the data. So destination sheet dot get range last row plus 1 comma new data dot length comma new data 0 dot length, and we have to set the value which is set values new data. And in the last we have to log data appended successfully, and make sure the sheet names match exactly because it is case sensitive. So congratulations, here we write our very first automated script in Google Apps Script. Now we have to automate the process. So step 4, automate the process, and we will do it with the triggers. So in App Script, click on the clock icon which replicates the triggers. So click add trigger, choose function append data to another sheet which we created earlier. Now in the time driver we can use daily, and in choose a preferred time we can choose a preferred time. So when we have to trigger the process, it will trigger it automatically. And finally we have to save and authorize access. Now your script will run automatically every day. So the step 5, which is the last step, is run and test the script. So click run in the app script, check the destination sheet to see if data has been appended. If there is an error, open view logs for debugging. So what are the common fixes here? The first one is ensure correct spreadsheet IDs. The second one is check exact sheet names. And the third one is ensure the source sheet has data or not. And that's it. Now your data moves automatically every day without any manual effort. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you need any modifications or have any questions. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss any update. Happy automating. See you in the next video. Bye bye.